Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Sweatcoin account. So this is a Sweatcoin registration guide. So first we're going to download it from the App Store. Then next we're going to open it. Then it's going to allow us to sign up with the Apple. So we're going to click on it. Then once we insert our ID, it will create the account for us. So next it's going to ask us to see the steps. So we're going to allow it. Then it's going to see our step data. So since it's linked with the Health app, we're going to switch it on and allow it. So depending on your preference, you could allow it to push notifications. So you could click on either of the two. Then you could click on continue. Then this is how you create your Sweatcoin account. So you can set up your daily goal. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.